All right. Here is 7.6, example 3. Flea market advertises that it has more than 250 vending booths. Of these, 184 are currently filled. Write and solve an inequality to represent the number of vending booths still available. Okay, so let's break it down into words. The number of booths filled plus the number of remaining booths is greater than the total number of booths. Okay. Let B be the number of remaining booths. So we have 184, total number of booths filled, plus B, number of remaining booths, which we don't know what that is greater than 250 because it has more than 250 booths. Okay. So here's our equation, or inequality. Looks like an equation, but it's an inequality because of this. Now we're going to subtract 184 from both sides, right? We want B to be all alone, super lonely. And we end up with B is greater than 66. And that's it. So there are more than 66 booths left. Your book report must be at least 500 words. So far you have written 334 words. Write and solve an inequality to represent the number W of words you still need to write. So at least 500. That means it could be 500. Could it be 499?
Your book report must be at
Could it be
least 500
501?
words. So far, you have
see.
written 334 words. Write and solve an inequality to represent the number W of words you still need to write. First, let's identify the key information in the word problem to write the inequality. We have that the book report must be at least 500 words. Then, we see that you have written 334 words. Finally, we are given the variable W, which is the number of words you still need to write. We will use this information to write the inequality. So let's start with the variable W. Remember, W is the number of words you still need to write. And we also know that you have written 334 words. So if we add the number of words you still need to write to the number of words you have already written, that must be at least 500 words. So the left side of our inequality will be W plus 334, and the right side will be 500. Now we need to determine the inequality symbol. We will figure that out by looking at least. So let's think of it this way. If you write 300 words, is that at least 500 words? No, it is not. But if you write 600 words, is that at least 500 words? Yes, it is. So we know 600 is greater than 500. So our sign will need to be greater than.
Yes.
Now we need to determine if we need greater than or equal to. So, is 500 words at least 500 words? Yes. So we can put greater than or equal to. So now we have written the inequality, which is 166.
All right. So what they did was subtract 334 from both sides, and you end up with W is greater than or equal to 166. Sorry, not equal. Yeah, W is greater than or equal to 166. So you need to write at least 166 more. Anybody ever written a 500-word essay? Maybe not yet in 6th grade, but you will. And let's take one more look at another one. I think we'll skip that one for now, just because the video is too long so far. But if you want to work on that one, you can. We can work on it in class. But that is it for example 3. Nice job. I'll see you later.